In front of me is XIAOMI Redmi Note 13 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Firstly, you need to open Clock app and tap on Alarm section, which is this clock at the top left corner. Now, before creating new alarm, click on those three dots at the top right one. Select Settings and manage all of them however you want to. When you finished, click on Additional Alarm Settings and manage all of those as well. Then go back, click on this plus at the bottom and customize your alarm however you want to. Begin by picking an hour at the top. Now, if you wish to use this alarm only once, you can click on this switcher next to the light after it goes off to get rid of it right away. If you want to use it repeatedly, click on Repeat and tap on the best option for you. Once, Daily, Monday to Friday, or Custom. If you want to select Custom, click on it, pick days of the week and hit OK to save them. Now select Ringtone. Tap on one of those melodies to apply it right away, or select All ringtones at the bottom. Now by tapping on Pre-installed ringtones, you can hit Apply next to any available one, like Orange, and save it by tapping on OK. To add music from your smartphone, go back to Pre-installed ringtones and click on this plus at the bottom right corner. Then hit Allow. Tap on any source. Select Allow OK. Again. Sorry, misclick. And click on any song that you wish to set up. Now hit OK at the bottom and apply next to it. Lastly, click on OK over here. If you see this kind of pop-up, tap on Allow. Then go back and click on this switcher next to Vibrate when alarm sounds to switch it off or on. Then select Label, name it however you want to, and click OK. Lastly, tap on this check mark at the top right corner to save your brand new alarm. As you can see, mine was successfully added. To turn it off completely, use blue switcher next to it and click on one of those options. To switch it back on, click on the same, now grey switcher. To make some changes, click on the chosen one. Tap on Additional Settings, manage them and click on this check mark at the top right corner. If you wish to delete it, hold it, click on Remove at the bottom and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!